On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be talking about why proper safety footwear is essential PPE. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, Warehouse Safety Tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Hey, it's another Wednesday, and that means it's time for Warehouse Safety Tips. And today we're going to be talking about why essential footwear is an essential PPE, personal protection equipment. We always talk about why safety is head to toe. We always talk about glasses. We talk about hard hats, vests, halters, things like that. But at the end of the day, standing on your feet and foot protection is absolutely as paramount as the other things for safety. So make sure that if you are doing anything around chemicals, heavy equipment, just anything where your foot needs to stay protected, that you're wearing the proper footwear for chemical spills, for things crushing it, or most importantly, if you're going to be on your feet, you want to make sure that you're very comfortable. So make sure that your footwear, usually boots, is fitting properly, that you got the proper arch support, and that it is going to be conducive to standing and leg and back support, because that's the stuff that will immediately start to hurt and ache if you're doing repetitive things or standing or sitting for a long time. So make sure that you are wearing the proper footwear. And then also, one of the other things that you want to think about is make sure that your boots or your shoes are going to be slip resistant, because it's something that is very, very prevalent in warehouses and facilities, and that is slips, trips, and falls. The trips part isn't really going to be something that you can avoid with the proper footwear, but the slipping and sliding and things like that is. So make sure that you, again, have got things that are going to protect you from any sort of chemicals or environmental things such as snow, ice, wetness, that you are avoiding any sort of crushing by having a steel-toed boot, a protective, good leather boot or footwear, and again, that your sole is going to be something that is going to be slip and slide resistant, and that you have the proper support on the inside for your back and legs. So guys, until we're back with you for another Warehouse Safety Tips, we thank you for being part of another episode, and here is a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line Floor Tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape. Beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic. And backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line Floor Tape, the only durable stripe.